Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. It is contended that under Section 29 of the Act, the property of the guarantor cannot be put to sale. Stop. Such right of sale can be exercised either under the rights available to the creditor under the Transfer of Property Act 1882 or in terms of Section 31 of the Act. Stop. It is contended that under Section 29 of the Act, the assets of an industrial concern alone can be taken over and put to sale and not the assets of the guarantor. Stop. Reliance is placed upon the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in Karnataka State Financial Corporation (Supra). Stop. In reply, the corporation has sought to justify its action in initiating recovery proceedings against the petitioner in view of deed of guarantee dated 28/5/2001 and mortgage deed dated 22/6/2001. Stop. It is alleged that the petitioner has given collateral security of his agricultural land and executed a bond of guarantee in lieu of section and grant of loan of rupees 5 crores to respondent number 2. Stop. It is pointed out that the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in Karnataka State Financial Corporation's case (Supra) relied upon by the petitioner is not applicable to the facts of the present case in the light of provisions of deed of guarantee, as the petitioner has stepped into the shoes of the principal debtor in case of its default. Stop. Para. In order to give effect to the guarantee herein contained, the corporation shall be entitled to act as if the guarantors were the principal debtors to the corporation for all payments and covenants guaranteed by them as aforesaid to the corporation. Stop. It shall be lawful for the mortgagor to retain possession and use the mortgage properties until the corporation takes possession thereof under these presents or by virtue of the provisions contained in the State Financial Corporation Act 1951 and take possession thereof accordingly. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner relies upon Karnataka State Financial Corporation's case (Supra) to contend that the Act has been enacted for a speedy recovery by the financial corporations constituted under the Act so as to enable them to exercise the statutory power of either selling the property or to take over management or possession or both belonging to industrial concern. Stop. Since the power has been conferred on a financial corporation, the same is required to be exercised within four corners of the statute. Stop. Such special provisions in the statute require strict construction. Stop. It is contended that under Section 29 of the Act, the right has been given to the financial corporation to act against the industrial concern to take over not only possession but management thereof, whereas Section 31 of the Act is exhaustive, which confers jurisdiction on the corporation to proceed not only against the industrial concern but also against the surety, as is evident from insertion of clause (A) in Section 31 (1) Wide Central Act number 43 of 1985. Stop. The procedure in respect of petition under Section 31 is contemplated under Section 32 of the Act. Stop. Over.